Step into an extraordinary building project that feels almost extraterrestrial in its ambition. We're documenting the complete construction of a dome house from bare earth to finished structure. You'll witness every crucial phase: groundwork, framework assembly, block placement, and the final enclosure. This isn't ordinary architecture, it's a glimpse into tomorrow's living spaces. Ready to explore? Let's dive in. The journey starts beneath your feet. Before any dramatic curves take shape, the construction crew must create a flawless base. They methodically level the site, then install waterproof sheeting across the entire footprint. Though it might seem unremarkable, this groundwork determines everything that follows. A dome draws its strength from uniform support. Compromise the foundation, and the entire structure suffers. This is where our story truly begins. With the base secured, the crew hoists the inaugural curved panel, the structural centerpiece that will define the dome's geometry. They position this arched wooden element at the precise center point, knowing that accuracy here is non-negotiable. Every measurement matters: the angle of the curve, the elevation from ground level, the anchoring points. Under the open sky, workers verify each calculation before fixing the frame permanently. This single curved spine will guide the entire structure's shape. The dome house has begun its ascent. Now comes one of the most visually striking phases. The team begins setting specialized concrete blocks along the curved framework. Each unit locks into position like an enormous three-dimensional puzzle. These blocks serve dual purposes: they reinforce the dome's structural integrity while simultaneously revealing its final form. Workers scale ladders with mortar in hand, carefully filling every joint between blocks to create a seamless shell. The transformation accelerates. More concrete blocks find their places on the curving surface, each one contributing to the expanding structure. The puzzle analogy becomes even more apparent as the pattern emerges. Every piece has its designated location, and precision placement ensures the dome's stability. The structure's true character becomes visible as the blocks climb higher along the framework. With the dome's shell nearly complete, attention shifts to creating the entryway. The team erects wooden bracing at the front section, building sturdy scaffolding to bear the weight of the arched doorway. This opening represents both a design focal point and a structural challenge. It must maintain the dome's integrity while providing access. The arch describes a perfect semicircle, marking where the main entrance will pierce the continuous surface. The dome's inner space now stands exposed. Concrete blocks spiral upward in concentric rings, forming a flawless circular profile. The enclosed volume creates remarkable acoustic properties. Workers on scaffolding apply mortar to the uppermost blocks, sealing every gap to strengthen the structure and create smooth interior surfaces. Each successive ring connects downward, showcasing the dome's essential geometry. Sunlight streaming through the arched opening illuminates this unique architectural space, elevating it beyond mere construction into something approaching art. The interior approaches its final state. Here stands the completed transformation. What began as level ground and simple wooden frames has evolved into a robust, aesthetically compelling dome house with distinctive character. Interior surfaces have been refined to smoothness. Exterior blocks merge into a unified shell. The arched entrance provides unmistakable architectural identity. Natural light flows throughout the interior, highlighting the dome's inherent strength. This project transcends typical construction. It represents human craftsmanship harmonizing with nature's most efficient structural form. Every phase you've observed, from initial groundwork to final details, required specialized expertise. This dome now exists as a functional living environment, and our documentation concludes here. Thanks for following this journey. We'll see you at the next remarkable project.